Today, we'll show you how to stay cool on a hot day while working on a Manlift. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is the Manlift that my husband works on. We will show you how to add a patio umbrella to keep you cool on the really hot days. You will need a good quality patio umbrella, wide enough to cover as much of the basket as possible. For most Manlifts, an 8-foot or a 2.5-meter umbrella is the ideal size. Cut a piece of PVC pipe to mount the umbrella into. Mount the PVC pipe near the center on the front of the basket. Now slide the base of the umbrella into the PVC pipe. Open the umbrella and enjoy the shade while working on a hot day. We hope this was not only entertaining, but helpful as well. If we hit the mark, then please throw us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.